Join me as I dive into the Google Pixel 9 lineup and try to uncover everything you need to know before it drops in 2024. Before we dive into today's topic, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our growing community of tech enthusiasts. Google's next flagship series, the Pixel 9, Pixel 9 Pro, and Pixel Fold, are expected to shake up the smartphone market with their release in 2024. The smartphone industry has been facing some significant challenges lately. Competition has never been fiercer, with brands like Samsung, Apple, and OnePlus constantly pushing the boundaries of innovation. Consumers are now more than ever expecting new and exciting features that can change the way they use their devices. With the rise of foldable smartphones, there's even more pressure on manufacturers to deliver something truly unique. The question is, can the Pixel 9 series live up to these expectations? We've seen Samsung's Galaxy S series and Apple's iPhone series constantly iterating and improving. But what about Google? The tech giant has always been known for its software prowess, but can it keep up with the rapidly evolving hardware landscape? One thing's for sure, the Pixel series has always been about simplicity and ease of use, but in 2024, it's going to take more than that to stand out from the crowd. With the likes of Huawei, Oppo, and Xiaomi nipping at their heels, Google needs to bring something special to the table. And let's not forget, the elephant in the room: foldable smartphones. Will the Pixel Fold be able to compete with the likes of Samsung's Galaxy Z series? The stakes are high and the pressure is on. The Pixel 9 series is rumored to feature some significant upgrades, including a major camera overhaul. We're talking improved sensors, enhanced low-light performance, and potentially even support for 8K video recording. Battery life is another area where Google is expected to make some significant strides, with rumors suggesting up to 2-day battery life on a single charge. And let's not forget about software. Android 14 is expected to bring a host of new features and security enhancements that will take the Pixel series to the next level. Rumors are also suggesting that the Pixel 9 Pro might feature a new design language, with a more seamless glass front and a more durable construction. The Pixel Fold, on the other hand, is expected to build upon the success of the Pixel Fold 2, with improved durability and a more seamless folding experience. But the question remains, will these upgrades be enough to sway consumers away from the competition? One feature that's got everyone talking is the potential inclusion of a periscope lens on the Pixel 9 Pro. This would essentially allow for 5x optical zoom, making it one of the most capable camera systems on the market. And that's not all. Rumors are also suggesting that the Pixel 9 series might feature improved IP68 water and dust resistance, making it one of the most durable smartphones on the market. Imagine being able to capture stunning shots from a distance, or being able to withstand accidental drops in the pool. These are the kinds of features that can truly change the way we use our smartphones, and it's about time someone pushed the boundaries of what's possible. The question is, will Google be able to pull it off? So, what can we expect from the Pixel 9 series? In a nutshell, we're looking at a lineup of smartphones that promise to deliver exceptional cameras, improved battery life, and a host of new software features. But will it be enough to compete with the likes of Samsung and Apple? Only time will tell. So, what feature are you most excited about? Let me know in the comments below. Don't miss out on the latest tech news and reviews. Hit that subscribe button now and join our community.